In early 2018, NQBP began works to repair the southern breakwater after damage was caused during Cyclone Debbie.
The Southern Breakwater Cyclone Debbie repair works are going really well. We're on time frame planned and we're also on budget, which is fantastic to see.
The breakwater repair contractors have almost finished placement of the protective rock armour at the northern end of the breakwater. These are the large rocks placed on the slope of the breakwater facing out towards the sea. As work progresses, the team will continue to move south towards the entrance of the breakwater.
We've still got the capping to do and the sealing of the road once all the rock armour's in place.
During these vital repairs, we have successfully hosted 2 major events on the breakwater, which highlight how we've been able to work with our contractors to continue to serve and support our local community.
In April this year, we supported the Tour de Cure event on the breakwater, which is a huge success. We also in June facilitated the Marina Fun Run. So we closed down rehab operations to facilitate this wonderful community event. And we're really looking forward to, in September, bringing here the Triathlon Mackay Triathlon. So please come down and support it.
Our commitment to keeping the breakwater publicly accessible throughout the repairs remains in place, with access to pedestrians and cyclists still available. Please come down and enjoy the southern breakwater and support the local marina businesses.
We will keep you up to date as we progress going forward, but we're on target to finish by the end of the year.
For more details, visit nqbp.com.au.